What we have here is a 1974 Moto Guzzi V7 Sport. It's been the same owner since 1978. The family has asked me to check it out and sell it for them. It's showing 12,000 miles or so on the odometer. It has been repainted. It has got nice looking exhaust pipes. It's a very clean looking bike. I believe the frame has been touched up paint-wise. Original rear shocks, replacement correct mufflers. It does have a couple of things that are not quite right, but mostly it is correct. I have not tried to start it yet because I need to drop the oil pan and see if we've got any chrome flakes down in the oil. A couple of things to point out. The negatives are it's got the incorrect front rim. It's a disc brake rim and the spokes are a little tweaked to get them into place. You can see here it's got the correct headlight ears, correct handlebars, controls, switches. The oil gem, which is replaceable, is incorrect. It's got new stickers with the paint. The side panel stickers are backwards. The eagle is flying to the rear. It's got a Stuckey replacement seat on it with the plastic pan, and while they look really good, they're quite uncomfortable and they don't really fit that well. Using a Ford starter solenoid. It does have the original electromagnetic petcock, but I don't believe it's working. You can see here that there's an incorrect bolt in here, and the horns are wrong. Everything else, though, seems like it's pretty good. The next thing I'm going to do is drop the oil pan and see what we got in there. It does still have chrome bores. Gas tank is a little crusty, but it's not rusty. There's still gas in it. Let me check out the oil situation. I'll look under the seat real quick here. It's got the original fuse block missing the cover, but the number one fuse is not melted down like they normally are. Under seat light is also missing. So there's a couple negatives, but all in all, it seems like a really nice motorcycle. Next video, I'll show you what is in the oil pan.